Welcome back to Lithuania, guys. We had a lovely stay in Palanga with Gabi's grandparents. It was lovely to be there for a couple of days, go out, explore a bit, see some friends. But now we're on the way to Veliuona. Veliuona?
Veliuona.
Veliuona. This is where Gabi's auntie and uncle and cousins live. So we're really excited to go and see them and spend a couple of days with them.
My uncle's family, they've been following our conversion with the first van and they've not seen the second one yet, so it's really fun to show them what we've done.
Harry!
Babe.
After the dinner and the van tour, we went and did a little bike cycle around the village.
Look at those socks!
Oh, fire, man! About Veliuona.
What's interesting?
Everything.
Every year Lithuania picks like one town or different towns? 10 different towns every year.
Different regions. So Veliouna became one of them this year. Little cultural
Capital.
yeah.
So they promote like different events and tourism, and people come and visit because it's really beautiful.
It actually lends itself perfectly to van life next to this river. So if you're ever in this part of Lithuania, you should totally come and stay here for a night or two. We're actually going to stay here tonight, I think.
Let's go!
Let's go. Labas. Yeah, when we were cycling around the village, we actually met back up with Gabi's uncle and auntie at, I guess, the local cemetery, you could call it. Within the cemetery, there's this beautiful chapel that's just been rebuilt, and it was financed privately by a man, a solicitor, I believe, whose parents used to live in Veliuona. Something I love about Lithuania is how much effort they put into respecting and preserving the cemeteries and the graves. Good morning, guys. It's a new day in Veliuona. I think I'm pronouncing that incorrectly. Yeah, we stayed over last night. It wasn't in our plan originally, but that's one of the benefits of having the camper van. We can stay where we want when we want. So yeah, we stayed at Gabi's auntie and uncle's house last night, and it was really good sleep. And we got woken up by cockerels this morning. This area is quite in the countryside, and there's a lot of animals everywhere, so that's super nice. Gabi's uncle is actually a vet, and they've got 4 dogs and 3 cats, and you can probably hear them at the moment, some of them. So now I think we're going to give you a little tour of all of the animals. Marvellous.
Veliuona Smuilinyčia. Follow on Facebook if you want to get Veliuona Smuilinyčia. Handmade soaps, shampoos, cosmetics, and they sell online as well. So you can buy on Facebook, and they ship everywhere, Europe, all around the world. If you want to order amazing handmade soaps from my auntie and uncle.
So if you're interested to see a little bit more of these products that my auntie is making at her home, you can visit her Facebook page called Veliuona Smuilinyčia, where you can see the full range of handmade soaps, solid bar shampoos, face creams, even deodorant. I actually tried that the other day and it's fantastic. You can contact her, send her a message if you like to order, or visit their shop when you're passing by. The page is in Lithuanian, but my uncle speaks very good English, so if you would like some further information, just send them a message and they will be able to help.
Ata!
So we're back in Vilnius. We are driving back home from Veliuona. So last night we spontaneously decided to stay over, and when our uncle just offered, would you like to stay? And we're like, we've got our van with us, we've got a bed, we've got all our things, there's no reason why we can't stay. So this is another thing that we love about van life, that you can make these spontaneous decisions. And as it was quite late last night, it was super lovely just to stay and have another cup of tea. We went for a walk.
I had some beers with your uncle.
Yeah, so it was just really nice and no rush. So now it's Monday morning and we're just driving home after a really nice weekend.
All of Lithuania is just gorgeous, and it really lends itself really well to van life. Some of the roads are quite rough, so you've got to be careful of that. But it's free and easy to camp everywhere, like no one gives you any problems. It's super nice.
One tip that I would give for anyone who's traveling around Lithuania, either with a van or a car, one mistake that we did yesterday, we just put destination into Google and it took us a shorter road, but we didn't know that the shorter road was actually a gravel road, and we didn't really know for how long it was going to go, and it was so bumpy that we actually turned around and went a different route. So the lesson that we learned is have a quick look on the map, and if the road has a number on the map, you can see a little box with a number. We'll show you an example. That means that that's going to be a decent road. If the road doesn't have a number, it's very likely it's a small country road. So I would suggest avoiding those, and it will make your traveling a lot easier. Even if it takes 5 or 10 minutes longer longer, it will save a lot of shakiness and I don't know, going over the bumpy roads.
Save your suspension.
Yeah. Save your suspension. Stick to the roads that have numbers.
That have tarmac.
That have tarmac, and you'll be just fine. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you haven't already, please click subscribe. Like the video, follow us on Instagram. If you have any comments or if you're planning to visit Lithuania and you have questions, please write in the comments below. Feel free to send us a message. We're always happy to chat about any tips traveling across Lithuania, places to see. Check out our other videos. So yeah, hope to see you soon. Over and out.